how to present PowerPoint presentation in Zoom meeting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can present your PowerPoint presentation in Zoom meeting. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for App Hacks. So let us get started. So the first step is let us open up our Zoom. So this is our Zoom. And after you're on Zoom, let's say that you're in a meeting. So I'll just start a new meeting here. After the meeting's been started, what you'll need to do is you'll need to start sharing your screen. So tap on this share button right here. And from here, if you want to just share your screen for your PowerPoint presentation, since your PowerPoint presentation is already open, you'll need to choose that window only. After you do that, you can tap on the share button. So here you can share your sound as well. If you have a video embedded in your PowerPoint presentation, tap on the share sound option as well. Else you don't need to do that. Now you can also use these features which enables you to just be with your presentation itself. You can present yourself with the presentation. I'll just select this normal one and then tap on the share button. Doing that, now you will start sharing your screen and you can start your presentation. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. That is how you share your screen on PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye.